Alright, I'm going to take you in from the sky down to the ground. We're starting out at Gualaquiza, our nearby town where we get food and stuff. And here's some directions to the farm, which you can only use if you get accepted after turning in the questionnaire. Anyways, this is a map from the sky. This is the lower half of Terra Frutis. So you can see we're zooming into the greenhouse, Palmhouse, kitchen and cabin area. And now as I start this drone video, we're on the trail in between the cabin and Palmhouse. Right there you can see the Palmhouse as we start our takeoff, and now we're gonna face the platform, which is a bugged in half bamboo, half wood structure. It's quite nice. And down that way is the cabin. I'm gonna try to show you the nice scenery, but more so these fruit trees. You can see the bananas all over with their big leaves. But the other fruit trees are a bit more difficult to discern. We've got jackfruit trees, meringue, Rollinia, and ice cream beans all throughout this area. As you can see on the right side of the screen, there's a gray patch of ground that's mulched grass around a jackfruit tree. We've also got some soursop in this area. And yeah, I'm just gonna fly the drone around here and try to give you guys a good perception of the area. It's a nice shot of the platform. And I'm at the bottom of the screen there with the yucca patch, and this is the top of Mount Frutis. Here's a map of the fruits we've got planted in this area. So there's a row of jackfruits. This one is meringue and Rollinia. It's harder to see. The ice cream beans are the larger trees with kind of mixed colors, and then there's bananas off that way. Going into the white sapote area, which we won't really be covering today. But you can see the nice view. This is to the south. Our neighbor Rodomiro is on that side, and if you continue up that river, you'll run into Fruit Haven after about an hour boat ride. Over across the river there is a Shuar indigenous community. It's called San Jose, or Centro San Jose. Yep. It's quite a nice place. So now we're gonna try chase cam. We're gonna follow me up to the Palmhouse, and on the left there's the yucca patch. We've got plants planted all around. You can't see it too clearly, but on the left there, that dried brown area, we've got a grafted Mineola tangelo planted there. Yeah, you can make it out now, I think. Yeah, there's some green there, and then on the right there's a grafted grapefruit, and now I'm going through the gate, if you remember seeing that on the map. Well, never mind. I didn't see that quite clearly. On the left here is a little pineapple patch, and now I'm going through the gate. There's a papaya on the right. Over by that ladder was Cedric's camping site he's set up with a hammock and a tarp. And now we've entered like the Palmhouse yard, which is fenced in because initially there was cows on this property, and yeah, they used fences to contain them. So I'm gonna maneuver the drone around here and get a view of the Palmhouse. And almost ran into that tree. Yeah, so it's a raised platform basically. It's 3 meters off the ground. It's like the sleeping area. It's a pretty nice structure with a good view. Although you can't see quite as well as the drone can, because we're getting up quite high. So this is off to the north. I'm trying to notice if we can see any of the fruit trees planted out there with the drone, which we can not quite. At least I can't recognize them from the sky. Unless we were to clear random like this area. This is a watermelon patch, which has also been planted with peanut butter fruits and some other things. On the upper left is the greenhouses and nursery. And right in the, yeah, out there is a chop path to the swimming hole, which is in the northern stream. And now I think, yeah, I'm gonna land the drone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was some pretty good, I don't know, perspective for you guys to get of how big the farm is, like where Mount Frutis is compared to Gualaquiza. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.